You carry a natural ability to reach inside your own mind and smooth out the rough patches. It is a built-in capacity to reshape the impact that difficult times have on your thoughts. This process is driven by neuroplasticity. Your brain behaves like a lump of soft, glowing clay. Every experience you have gently pushes, pulls, and molds its physical shape. In a family, intense stress or conflict can leave deep impressions. These moments act like thumbprints pressed hard into that soft mental surface. Because this clay remains pliable throughout your life, these impressions can be changed. You can smooth out those marks and mold the mind into a structure that handles future challenges with more ease. To see how this works, look at a sprouting seedling. A family environment serves as the foundational soil for a developing brain. Daily interactions like warm conversations and clear boundaries act as nutrients. They send signals to the brain that it is safe to grow new, healthy connections. Chronic stress or harsh discipline acts like a severe drought. Without the right support, the brain halts its growth and shifts all its energy into a state of bare survival. The emotional atmosphere in a home serves a biological purpose. It determines the physical architecture of the brain as it grows. Two brain regions work as a team. First, the boss, the prefrontal cortex, is a site manager who organizes chaotic emotions to help you make logical choices. Beside him, the hippocampus memory bank flips through an album of past experiences, helping you understand stressful moments. When a child faces a hard time but receives empathy from a parent, their body produces fewer stress chemicals. This allows these two regions, the boss and the memory bank, to physically grow larger and build more efficient connections. This physical growth creates a more efficient system for processing information. It means the developing brain is significantly better equipped to stay calm and focused when the next difficult challenge inevitably arrives. A strong boss area uses a specialized skill called positive reframing to interpret the world. Reframing is the ability to look at a stressful situation and consciously shift your perspective to find a hidden lesson or a way to solve the problem. Finding a new angle helps the brain stop its internal alarm system. It prevents fidelity from being flooded with cortisol, a hormone that can be toxic in high amounts. Teaching children to shift their perspective provides them with a practical way to manage their internal stress response for the rest of their lives. Families create this supportive environment by using a tool called nonviolent communication. This involves expressing your own feelings and what you actually need, while carefully avoiding judgment or blame. This works because of the brain's mirror network, a group of cells that helps us understand others. This network acts like emotional Wi-Fi. When you speak with a calm tone, your child's brain simulates that same calmness, allowing them to feel exactly what you feel. Speaking without blame physically links family brains together. It allows everyone in the family to share the emotional load and rapidly lower each other's stress levels right in the moment. Over time, this consistent support helps the small seedling grow into a massive, deeply rooted tree. Resilience is an active, physical structure that you build over time. It grows through daily repetition and the way we connect with the people around us. Difficult times do not have to leave a permanent mark. With empathy and the right communication, the brain adapts and becomes more capable of handling the next storm. To learn more about how your mind works, subscribe and join our community. We want to hear from you. What is a specific phrase you use to stay positive on a difficult day? Share it in the comments so we can all learn new ways to reframe our challenges.